What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip I did for our wonderful friend Joanne. As you probably already could tell, it was her special day, guys. It was her special day. Congrats to them. Good luck in the future, guys. If you guys are watching this. I don't know, you probably are not watching this. But other than that, hit the subscribe button, guys. Hit the bell notification because I am going to other islands pretty soon. I am so excited to get to travel freely around Hawaii here, meaning jumping from island to island, hence paradise to paradise. Too bad the Philippines can't open up fully yet. I wanna get over there as soon as possible. But other than that, leave a comment if you guys want to interact with me. I do apologize when I do go live. The quality is bad sometimes. It totally sucks. But when I do go live, interact. Hit that dollar symbol too. It helps us, helps our channel out. If you want to donate $1, $2, $3, or $50, whatever, guys. Sorry, I was eating an apple earlier. But catch you guys. I'm gonna edit another video right now so I can schedule that for the near future. I'm having time restraints now. Oh my god, I'm trying my best to get more content for you guys. But other than that, guys, peace out. Catch you guys out in the next video. Hit the subscribe button. Okay, peace.